After long-term efforts, began ISO 9001 2015 International Quality System Certification and CE certification. In developing products, obtained a number of national patents. Our products have stable performance and outstanding efficacy, highly praised by majority of users. In management, we pursue the philosophy of innovation leads times and integrity casts brilliance. Implement the principles of people-oriented and customer-first. On the one hand, set up a stage for employees to display their talents, to show themselves in a wider world. On the other, make every effort to meet the deep-seated needs of customers. Do everything we can to create better prospects for them. Strive to improve our popularity and reputation. Expand our influence worldwide. To let Weitai truly become a leading brand in the tractor industry.